Hello guys, and welcome back to another tutorial from Timmy the Creator. And in this tutorial, I'm going to be learning motion capture with DeepMotion AI. And in motion capture with DeepMotion AI, it allows us to upload our model on the DeepMotion or on the Mocap website instead of doing the targeting mode on Blender. We can just transfer the animation directly to our character. I don't know if you get what I'm trying to say, but I'll explain it in the process of this video. But before we continue, don't forget to click on the subscribe button and also on the notification bell to get more tutorial. So as we all know, before we can retarget or before we can do a motion capture, our character must be in a T pose. That means the rest pose of the character must be in a T pose. But the character I'm using right now, the rest pose is on, as you can see, this is the rest position and this is A pose. So I need to like change this pose to a T pose. So what I'm going to do is to use this add-on called the cat plugin. So I have it on my system. I have it on my Blender. So I want to look for it. Somewhere here. Okay, yeah. So this is the cat plugin. If you want to get your own cat plugin, because it works based on your Blender version, you have to download the cat plugin depending on the Blender version you are using. So you can just go to your Chrome or go to your browser, search for cat plugin. You can just write cat plugin. You see the version, then click on this GitHub link. Anyone. Then there are some versions you see. Can you see this is 4.4, this is 4.3, and this is 4.2 here. You can find releases here. So anyone you want, just select it based on your Blender version. Then when you select, this is my own 4.3. Do I have installed mine? Then I selected this and I selected download zip. So after downloading the zip file, what you just need to do here is to install it the way you install other add-ons. Just make sure you don't extract the file. So you just go to your edit, preference, and then for people that are using 4.2, they've changed the method of installing add-on. It's the same way, but then you have to click on this drop down, then you click on install from disk. So just select the cat plugin add-on and install it. When you install it, you should see it on your Blender. You get this mine. You see like the unofficial. So this is this unofficial cat Blender plugin. So that's just it. So let's move to the next part. So now I want to change the T-pose of this character. I want to change the character's A pose to a T pose, sorry. So this is the cat plugin. So I'm going to select, let me first select the bone, and I'm going to select start pose. Can you see? So just select this and rotate it to a T pose, or should we just, I'd like to use something else. No, I'll just use the manual. I'd like to use the X mirror. So I need to say I do on the right, it will also show on the left. So yeah, this is it, and you can do the same thing here too. So we have this. So when you are done with this, so what you just need to do is to apply as rest pose. So when I select rest pose, can you see this? Even in edit mode, it's on T pose. Then we can now export our character as FBX and upload it on DeepMotion AI. So I'm going to select everything. Let's select this and hold on shift, select this. The character I'm using right here is from Dash 3D. You get, so okay, export, and where's FBX? Let me just put it in my post from here. So let me just use it as a test character, test character. Another thing you can do here is to change from auto to copy and select this so that you can export your character with texture. You get, so something like that. So let's export as FBX. So the next thing I'll do is to go to my Chrome back, then go to DeepMotion AI. Yeah, DeepMotion AI has a free mode. Let me just put it like that. So, but there are limitations. I think you can only motion cap a 20 seconds clip. Yes. So this is same motion, whereby you can use prompt to create your own animation. So this is what I'll be using. I'll be using the AI motion capture from video. And this is the freemium plan, 60 credit per month, lowest. Reruns is just once, 20 seconds per clip, multi-person. You can only use 2 person. You can only track 2 persons, sorry. 30 FPS, unavailable, unavailable. Until you update or until you start updating your plan. That is when you get more options. So but let's click on launch. So yeah, here you can upload your, these are my characters that I've uploaded yet. So this is 3D models. Let me select it. So this is 1 and this is 2, and I'm sure you notice that they are both on T pose, not on A pose. So I can remove my character and put an upload another character to replace them. So let me upload. Yes, browse for 3D models. I'm coming. So okay, where is the post for me? And this is the test character, and select open. So yeah, upload. Yes, submit. So let's wait for it to upload. So we are done uploading our character. So the next thing we're going to do is to select create animation. Then we need to upload the video we want to capture with. So I want to capture from, sorry. So I already have a TikTok video I want to use. Okay. So I'm going to select this video and this. Yeah, so and the video is about 17 seconds. Just make sure your video is no more than 20 seconds. Do you get? So can you see trim and cut? And next thing I'll do is wait, we have to do something. So yes, so animation setting, can you see this? There's physics filter, head rotation tracking, upper body tracking, hand tracking, motion smoothing, eye tracking. Yeah. So only track the upper body or pose from the input video or image. Lower body or pose copied from before back configured. Turn on additional head rotation tracking. No upper body, sorry, because upper body only. No, yeah, there's hand tracking. Yes. So yeah, I think we are done. Yes, let's select. Okay, you can also describe the motion to end free animation credit. You can also do that too. So but let me just select create animation. Okay, before back pose self is A pose, not T pose, but then just leave it like that. So now we are done on creating our animation. 3 animation created successfully. So we can select preview. So our preview is downloading. So let's select OK and let's see the result. So this is the character that is dancing. Okay, so let's bring in our character to Blender. So I'm going to stop this, pause this, select download. I'm going to save this as FBX and download. It is still downloading. So I'm done downloading the animation. So this is the zip file. So I need to just copy it and paste it somewhere. So we have to, yeah, I'll just copy both. Control C, but then I'll just need one, and Control V. I'm pasting it in my post for me folder. So I'll go back to Blender. Okay, let's just hide this. Yeah, I can just create another collection and just tap on it. Go to File, go to Import, go to FBX. Yeah, and let's post for me. I can just select one of these. Yeah, select import. So this is our motion captured animation from DeepMotion AI. and I don't know why it's up. But anyway, the best way to do a perfect mockup is whereby you take a video of yourself, because sometimes taking videos online might not give you the best result, and you have to make sure that you are about, I think, about 10 meters, 8 to 10 meters away from your camera, and probably you must use a tripod. You must use a tripod, so that the AI can capture a proper animation and the errors in the animation will reduce. Yes. So that's just it. So let me just drag it through. There are a lot of errors here that can be fixed, but then to take your time. But if you want a perfect mockup, it's better for you to create a video of yourself, then upload it together with the character, But going forward, I will explain how to fix some of all this animation, but you can do some of them by using the NLE, sorry, not NLE, the graph editor. The graph editor. You just need to select the particular bone that is giving you problem. So, and the last part I want to talk about is the skin texture. I'm sure that we did not really maintain the actual skin texture compared to this guy. Come in, sorry, open. Okay, let me see. Oh yeah, not here. Yeah. So let me wait for it to load. So compared to this guy, you can see that there is a wide difference between them. So for you to get the texture of this character, you just need to select this. Just go to the shading. Come in. I'm not selecting. Let me deselect and select. Yes. Select the character. Yes. Then you have to go to this place, and then you have to select the drop down. We have to start from the face. Then select the drop down and select face 1 to change. Let me hide this one behind so you can see what I'm saying. So select the lips. My system is laggy at this moment, so bear with me. And this is lip 1. Then you have to keep doing that. Just keep doing it for everything. Come on. This teeth 1, torso. Yeah, torso 1. Can you see? So just keep doing that like that, and then you get the texture of your character back, and that's all. So thank you for watching this tutorial on DeepMotion AI, and I also like to introduce to you my 3D clothes mockup animation, t-shirts, joggers, jerseys. When you check the description box, you see a link there. It will link you to my website, so just you can check it out. You can purchase if you like anyone. Thank you once again for watching this tutorial. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button and on the notification bell to get more videos.